In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve and pay superannuation in Xero 5 minutes. We'll walk through logging in, finding your super batch, approving it, and submitting the payment so you can stay compliant and keep employee contributions up to date. Start by signing into your Xero account. On the login page, enter your email and password, then select Login. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the main menu, open Payroll, then choose Superannuation. This is where Xero groups super contributions into payment batches. If you're following along with a demo company, you may not see real data here, and that's okay. In a live organization, any contributions that are ready will appear as pending approval. Find the superannuation payment batch that's waiting to be processed. Open it to review the details carefully. Check the pay period, the list of employees, their super funds, contribution amounts, and the total for the batch. Make sure anything that looks unusual is reconciled back to the underlying pay runs before you proceed. If you don't have access to the payroll area, you may need a user with payroll admin permissions to adjust your role. When everything looks correct, choose Approve. Xero may ask for an authorization or verification code. Retrieve the code from your Authenticator app or message and enter it exactly as provided. This step helps protect your business from unauthorized payments. After authorizing, select Approve and Submit to send the batch for payment via Xero's superannuation clearing process. If you're prompted to confirm bank account details, double-check the account name, BSB and number, as well as the payment reference and total amount. Confirming these details ensures the payment is routed correctly. Once submitted, you'll see the batch marked as in progress or submitted. Keep an eye on the status for confirmation of successful processing and match the outgoing bank transaction in your bank reconciliation when it appears. As a best practice, aim to process super contributions ahead of quarterly deadlines to avoid late payment penalties and ensure they reach funds on time. That's it. You logged in, navigated to payroll and superannuation, reviewed the pending batch, approved it with a secure code, and submitted the payment. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you're working in Xero.